Amid the vast and silent expanse of a snowy wilderness, survival hinges on knowledge and the seemingly minor decisions one makes. A common misconception among those stranded in such frigid environments is the idea that consuming snow is a quick and effective method to hydrate. Today, we'll uncover why this could be detrimental and why melting snow is essential for survival. Imagine the scenario: temperatures plummet, the wind howls, and the only source of water in sight is the blanket of snow beneath your feet. First drives you to consider eating handfuls of snow, but here's where the danger lies. When you consume snow directly, your body needs to expend additional heat to melt the snow inside your mouth and stomach. This process can lead to a significant decrease in your core body temperature, increasing the risk of hypothermia, a potentially fatal condition where the body loses heat faster than it can produce it. The symptoms of hypothermia begin subtly: shivering and numbness, and can escalate to confusion, slurred speech, and drowsiness. In severe cases, it can lead to complete failure of the heart and respiratory system. Therefore, understanding the right way to hydrate in cold environments is not just helpful, it's potentially life-saving. The safer approach is to melt the snow before drinking it. If you have a fire or a portable stove, use it to melt the snow in a container, turning it into water. This method not only avoids the internal cooling effect caused by eating snow, but also allows you to purify the water if necessary, by boiling it. Boiling water can eliminate pathogens present in the snow, ensuring that the water you drink is not only warm, but also safe. Additionally, when melting snow, remember that not all snow is equal. Fresh snow, being cleaner, is preferable to older, compacted, or colored snow, which can contain pollutants or bacteria. Collecting and melting snow efficiently requires a container, preferably black or dark colored, to absorb more heat and speed up the melting process. This survival technique of melting snow for water, rather than eating it directly, is essential for maintaining core body temperature and overall health in extreme conditions. It's a simple yet critical strategy that emphasizes preparation and smart decision-making in survival situations. So, next time you find yourself in a snowy landscape, remember, never eat the snow. Melt it first to stay hydrated and safe. Your survival could depend on it.